Alright, what's up, y'all? Land of YouTube. It's your boy Tiger Brad Mighty Ninja, and I'm at the lake at Walmart by some ducks here. As you can see, there's thousands and thousands of them. Look at them. Quack, quack. See the water there. As y'all seen from my videos before this one. Look at that flapping his wings. See, it's a lot of them. They even on the street there. They better get out the road. I don't want them to get hurt now. Come on, little fellas. Or big fellas, because they some big ones. Oh, they better take off there. Well, I'll see y'all soon for more natures and animals.